Hey everyone, it's Gianna, lawmaker of crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Together, we'll build a crypto movement that fights climate justice and economic empowerment. I'm in California for the week. I'm visiting my family. On our show, we love talking about economic empowerment, how crypto and blockchain technology can be used for good. So today, I have some really exciting news on how blockchain technology can be used for Indigenous people, specifically where I am right now in Northern California. Here's the article. This Native American tribe leader is bringing salmon restoration to the metaverse. In Salmon Journeys on Decentraland, users catch Chinook salmon to win exclusive NFTs. Palm is a Native American tribe leader in North America. His community has been really big on salmon restoration, and now his team has put together a special game. It's called Salmon Journeys. The game is now on Decentraland, and users can catch Chinook salmon to win exclusive NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These NFTs were made by Salmon, a Web3 entity that represents Indigenous spiritual values and raises funds for restoration projects and the land back movement. The goal of the game is to raise awareness about this environmental issue and also raise funds for salmon restoration efforts. Palm stated, "Since the Shasta Dam was built 75 years ago, the salmon have been unable to return to their home waters in our ancestral watershed near Mount Shasta, California." Palm added that he's in discussions with Maori tribes in New Zealand to actually bring more fish from New Zealand who are genetically related to the Chinook salmon in California. Palm also stated, "The goal is to have the game tell our story in as many metaverses as possible, so that people will hear about our efforts, have fun playing a cool game, win and gain value back for themselves, and support actual salmon returns to the Mount Cloud River." So good luck to Palm and his team at the hackathon. So many communities, including Indigenous communities, are seeing the benefits of Web3 and blockchain technology. They're using it for fun things like games. And I think we're going to see wider and wider adoption of this technology as more communities use it and see the benefits that it's not just about like weird apes or just trash projects. It can also be used for fundraising for like environmental projects, for land back projects, and for giving it to the people who really, really need it. But let me know what you think in the comments below, especially if you have an environmental project. I love covering those on the show, how crypto and blockchain technology are being used for good and for protecting the environment and being used for climate justice issues. If you happen to be Indigenous too, let me know. I love helping people out and communities out to figure out how blockchain can be used for your community. But that's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.